Hello, now I will introduce our new developed hydrogen water vending machine to you. This is simple design, is with round corner, and this is acrylic panel. This area is for the filling. There are two outlets inside, one for bucket filling, for this big bucket filling, and another is for the small bottle filling here. This is the lamp box for advertising, and this area is for the payment system. This is the LCD display to display the message, and this is IC card payment, this is QR code payment, and this is the pressure meter to show the pressure, and the light for the indication for the line for bucket filling. There are three buttons, one for bucket filling, this is for small bottle filling, and this is stop button. Now I will show you the filling of the bottle. I will use IC card payment, and I use bottle. I choose the small bottle filling and open the door and put the bottle under the outlet. Each filling is 500 milliliter for small bottle. It will stop automatically. Okay. Now finish filling. Okay. And now let me show you the filling for the big bottle. It's high pressure bottle. It's specially designed for hydrogen water. Put the bottle inside and connect the connector. It's stainless steel connector, and open the valve here and use IC card payment and press bucket filling. Now the indication light is on and the pressure will be going up. The filling process about 3 minutes until the indicated light is off. Now the light is off and the filling is finished, and need to close the valve and disconnect the connector, and this is about 9 liters. And let me show you the water of this bucket, okay? We use small bottles and now you can see there are hydrogen inside the small bottles, and it's about 4,500 to 5,000 ppb. Let me drink one.